Hello, my name is Jodie Richardson, a songwriter and DJ, living in London currently, but from Norfolk originally, and I do love libraries. Libraries have been part of my life since I can remember. I remember one of my first ever trips to a library was with my nanny Sheila, when we would stay around hers, and she would take us there to do activities and to find books to read, and that's one of my fondest memories of her. During my whole life, especially during my educational life, during college and university, libraries have been such a great tool to help with my songwriting, to help with my dissertation, and so many other things. I've discovered so many things in libraries. One of the books I'm going to show you is this one by David Bowie, which really helped during my time at university when I was writing my dissertation. And that was on his mental health, and it really opened my understanding of how he dealt with his mental health issues. So it's a great book. I really recommend that one. And poetry as well. Obviously songwriting. I discovered Oscar Wilde in a library. The librarian there told me about him and said that you should read him, and since then I've been absolutely hooked. If it wasn't for libraries, I wouldn't have known about the 60s scene. That's how I found out about the mod scene, really, and I read some books about modernists, and that really got me into my DJing career, into R&B. And yeah, if it wasn't for libraries, I wouldn't know half the things I know about today, and I wouldn't have those lovely memories with my nanny or with my mum when she would take us. So please go support your local library. There's nothing quite like the feeling of being engrossed in a book and feeling like you're there with the character, or you're there with the poet writing their beautiful words. And thank you so much for listening, and go support your local library.